So first I am starting out with the shade Priceless. This is just a really nice transition shade. To bake underneath my eyes, I am just using the Milk Makeup Translucent Setting Powder. Now I am just going into the shade Blue Blood. Let's take this overboard. After that, I just dipped my brush into Cremated. I just made sure to use a tiny bit at a time and blend it out. Next, I dipped my brush into Undertaker, and this was to really just define the crease and make that area look really, really dark and defined. Now that I'm pretty much done with the eyes, I am just going to wipe away all of the excess powder. Next, I'm going into my Coastal Scents Blush and Bronzer palette, and I just used the matte brown shade to contour each area that I wanted to sculpt. So I sculpted my cheekbones, I did the sides of the forehead, the top of the forehead, and everywhere else. To keep my lips hydrated and protected, I am just using the Physicians Formula MURU Butter Lip Cream in the shade Soaking Up the Sun. To carve out my cut crease, I am just using some concealer. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea AQUACEALER Concealer in the shade Fair Light. After that, I went in with the shade Mint Tea. I'm obsessed with this shade. It is literally one of the prettiest shades I've ever used. After I'm done packing that shade all over my eyelids, I just go in with another brush just so that I can kind of diffuse the edges a little bit and make everything look a bit more seamless. Next, I just went in with the shade Coolin' On. I really love this shade for my inner corner highlight. I love using this shade for my brow bone highlight. I also just love using this shade down the bridge of my nose and on my upper lip and on my chin. So I did go in with the previous crease colors on my lower lash line. I just went in with the lightest to darkest. I don't always do this when I'm doing makeup, but sometimes I really enjoy doing this if I know that I'm going to be taking photos or filming that day, just because it makes the eye look really pop and really stand out. Right here, I just went in with the darkest crease color. I just wanted to define the crease a little bit more after packing that light mint shade on my eyelids. I did go in and blend the lower lash line out because you just don't want it to look really messy or undefined. So I just took this same fluffy brush and I just used that to blend out the crease. Again, you just want to blend and blend and blend, especially if you go back in and you add more product. This is just going to help the look a lot more seamless and flawless. For eyeliner, I'm just using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. After that, I just used the Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara to coat my eyelashes. So for lashes, I am just going in with the SHAUNZBEAUTY lashes in the style SASHA. I really love SHAUNZBEAUTY. She has amazing lashes. These ones in particular are so beautiful. I love just how fluffy they are, and these are just so freaking cute. For lips today, I am just using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. This is honestly such a beautiful lip color if you don't want to go too light. And that is the finished look. I definitely wanted to get out of my comfort zone and play with some more color. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!